Hello, good day. This is Jen. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to discuss a little app called Redact.dev. So Redact basically deletes your digital footprint. Okay? So the following social media applications are included in their services. So you have Discord, Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, and well, if you want to check all the other social media platforms that they have services for, then they have a list of all the platforms here. You just click the all services and it will handle all the deletion of or spring cleaning your handles anywhere. Okay, so you just check if the social media application that you use the most is listed as one of the services that we offer. So, of course, to use Redact, we have first to download the app. So you just click download Redact and then you just click install. So it's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. So click install. Next, let's open and install the app. So this is the terms and services. So if you want to read that one, you can read that one. Then since I'm already familiar with this one, just click I agree. So after installation, let's go check the app. If your computer has a Windows Defender firewall, so just click allow access. So this is now the Redact page for me. The only social media account that I'm actually active on is Facebook. And so I'm looking for Facebook right now. Where's the Facebook logo? Oh. So if you have other Facebook or social media platforms, then you can just check. Facebook. Then log in with Facebook to start deleting your messages. So you just click log in. So log in. Okay, so my Facebook account is a two-factor authentication. So need to input that one. I would save because I don't actually really have post delete except for the ones this past few months. There is a warning. So when you delete comments or posts, it will also delete every response from other users. Only your comments and posts will be archived and any responses by others will not. So, so you choose the date. I think I have been active the past 6 months. So I'm only deleting my posts. I'm only deleting my timeline. Yeah, only delete content containing all of these words and phrases. So I think my favorite was this one, and because all of these are election related posts. Okay, so let's check what post will be deleted. Take a few minutes, and this is only a preview because I want to check if all the posts that I want to delete will be the only ones that will be deleted. I only have 6 messages to delete. Of course, apparently. Let's check. Okay. Okay. These are my recent tweets. Last month. I think yeah, because I click monthly. No, not all the time. Let's go back to the form. Let's have that one. Pick that one all the time. Let's preview. Start previewing. As if other posts will be added, but so far those were the correct ones that I've posted last month. Yeah, so my earlier posts are now previewed. So far 10 messages, so there are 4 that were added. Okay, so apparently I only have 10 items that fit that match. And I'm actually paranoid, so yeah, I'm still checking that one. Okay. So they were added, so let's delete those. Okay, so I have deleted 12 messages. Up to 4. Anyway, so that's how you delete. Anyway, if you have other social media accounts, then you just click and then you just check your account and log into that one, select the messages that you want to delete, and yeah, there you go. And if you want to check if it actually worked, you can actually go to your account and check if the messages that you deleted no longer appears. This is Redact, and you can just download the app at their site. It's redact.dev.